A bumbuckler title. Go through. Carl Chojos. Yeah, my friend. Bumbuckler, you want a title.
Fuck to them.
You want a title. You know it, dog.
Chojos there.
No, dog.
Chojos, why you there?
You want a title, my boy.
Why you bum? Where there? Pussy.
You want a title, my boy. Good job.
No.
Cheers. Cheers.
Pussy.
Cheers. You want a title.
What Chojos there? Chojos there.
Ha. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. I just got back. I had some food just now. I had a great game this morning, played some soccer, and then I went to watch a Manchester United game. And Manchester United are the champions of Europe. Maybe a Carabao Cup, but still, Manchester United are the champions. And first of all, let me say this. We're very close to getting to 1,000 subscribers, so please drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new, and leave a comment as well. Let the world know that we're here and we're talking about football, talking about Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool, Man City, and Tottenham. Now that that's over with. Now that that's over with, people. Manchester United are the champions of Carabao Cup. And I love it. I loved every friggin' second of that game, fam. It's been lovely watching Ten Hag work his magic this entire season. This past 6 months has been bliss. It has been nothing but joy. Though after the first 2 games, a lot of people were talking. I was talking. A lot of people were saying, "What's going on with this team? They played so well in the preseason. What's going on in this team? Why are they so shit?" But Ten Hag switched things around so quick, so fast. It was just like that. Now, before I get to all of the rival fans about what's going on at Manchester United and all that stuff, first I want to talk about Ten Hag, the Ten Hag effect that he has on Manchester United. Now, after that Brentford game, after that devastating 2-1 loss to Brighton, they went back into the training ground the following day. And they said, "Listen, Brentford run over maybe 1,000 more miles than you did. You're going to run it." But not only that, this is not just a child. It's not just your kid did something wrong, so you're going to punish him. This was, listen, you're going to run those extra miles today. And I am going to run those extra miles with you. Because as a manager, I failed you. I failed the team. So I'm going to run with you. And that kind of put a different level of respect for Ten Hag in my mind. And in the player's mind as well. And you could tell that you can see the difference in his approach to football. Not just Manchester United, but to football as a whole. The very first thing that Ten Hag had to rid himself up was that Cristiano Ronaldo situation. We all of us said that, listen, Cristiano Ronaldo, he's done so much for Manchester United, so much for Juventus, so much for Real Madrid. But when he lost his legs, he lost his legs. And Eric Ten Hag said, listen, you're not going to play every game for me. We're going to use you because you're a great goal scorer, but we're going to need someone to lead the line. At that point, it was Rashford and Anthony Martial. Just after that break, that World Cup break, when Garnacho came through and scored that last-minute goal, everyone wasn't talking about Garnacho's appearance in the Premier League, make himself folklore in that team. What they were talking about is Ronaldo coming up with a stupid interview with Piers Morgan. Eric Ten Hag, Manchester United board, everyone said, "No, you have to go." And they dipped. They agreed amicably to quit with Cristiano Ronaldo. And what happened after that? The team gelled. Marcus Rashford stepped up. This man scored 23 goals, 24 goals this season. And he's only half of the season, fam. Think about that. Jadon Sancho, after losing his family, after getting told that he's not being called up for the national team to play at the World Cup, he lost his way. Started getting weight. Started losing his battles in the team. What did Ten Hag do? Ten Hag knew that this man needs an arm around his leg. This man knew he needed to give Jadon Sancho what he has never done before. Time away from Manchester United. Give him time to go out and train with his own personal trainers in Netherlands to train them to get better. And he came back. Jadon Sancho has been balling ever since. Listen, this man, Eric Ten Hag, the best decision Manchester United made since Fergie. By far. By far. By far. Now let me get to you guys. Let me get to you rival fans. All of you fans that say Manchester United not winning anything. All of you fans that say Manchester United not coming sixth, not coming fifth, not coming fourth. Manchester United finishing seventh. Where are you at, fam? Where's Royal LFC? Where are you, Ryan? Where are you? Where's Manny's man? Where are you? After the first two games, after we lost the first two, where are you now? When Liverpool get beat up in them face and Manchester United go on to go walk up in them face. Where are you now, fam? Hope you're happy now. Because Manchester United are champions of the Carabao Cup. Are, I could say, champions of Europe, but who's counting, right? Nobody. People, we only have one thing left. Just one thing. And in a couple of months, we will know who will be the new owners of Manchester United. And when we get rid of the Glazers, when we get rid of the fucking Glazers, remember when I tell you right now, Manchester United will be back. Remember that. Anyway, people, bless you, bless you. Remember, we're very close to 1,000 subscribers, so drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're brand new. Thank you guys again for watching. Manchester United, champions of Europe. Carabao Cup champions. Manaz.